Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Mohisa Iqbal. I am your maths teacher. Today we shall learn about the comparing number. In this lesson, you will be able to learn the concept of comparing number and you will be able to compare the numbers. Now let's start the class. First of all, I will explain the comparing numbers. So students, comparing number is the same as knowing which number is smaller and which number is bigger. The question is how to compare two numbers. Students, there are the three possibilities. Number one is the first number is greater than the second. As you can see, the number 4 is greater than the number 2. The second one is the second number is greater than the first. As you can see, the 3 number is second and it is greater than the number 2. And the last one is the two numbers are equal. As you can see, the 6 number is equal to the 6 number. So now I am explaining it with the examples. So I am taking the example of the two 6-digit numbers and we have to make the comparison between them and find out which number is smaller and which number is greater. Here are the two 6-digit numbers. So what will we do? To compare this number, we will follow the given steps. First of all, we will make the place value chart and then we will write these both number in it one by one. First of all, I will just writing the first value, that is 246,738. In the same way, I will placing the second one value in the place value chart, like 246,951. So now students, after placing the values, we will check the place value of each digit starting from the largest place, that is 100,000, and it is started from the left side. And we can say that the digits in 100,000, 10,000 and the 1,000 place are the same. And if we will check in 100 place, the digits are not same. So students, what will we do now? The next step is, in the values, in 100 place values, the numbers 7 and 9 are different. So we will make comparison between these two digits. So 700 is less than the 900. So we get the largest number as 246,951. This value is the largest value. So we are comparing the digits or the values to find out the smaller number. So we get that the number 246,738 is smaller than 246,951, and we can write by using the symbols as. Now students, this symbol is used as smaller than number, and you know that the closed end of the symbol indicates a smaller number, as you can see. Now this is all about today's lesson. Now it's time of your home assignment. So you students, you have to compare these number in your maths notebook. Note down these questions and solve it in your maths notebook. And if you have any problem regarding the lesson, so you can contact me at miaayan42@gmail.com. Have a nice day.